3, 2, 1.
It's the Icfrey'S
Blind Taste Test!
It's the Icfrey'S
Blind? Sabi mo blind taste test ka. Three, two, one.
It's the Icfrey'S
Blind taste test!
Panda Express version. Hi, Icfrey'S! We love you! Thanks for joining us on this episode.
Maraming salamat. At because of that,
we missed
we're
you.
gonna eat for you.
Correct!
Kakain kami para sa inyo. So today, ano ba gagawin natin?
Icfrey'S, so I was shopping on Lazada and I suddenly saw Panda Express orange chicken mix.
Wow! Parang ubos na, no? Parang ubos na. Kasi we are a fan of Panda Express. Ito kasi, he introduced Panda Express to me when we went to the US. Kasi I was always looking, whenever we go to the US, I'm always looking for...
Kanin! Palagi.
Eh, doon na lang may Panda Express. So, everywhere in the US may Panda Express. Panda Express na lang!
Drive-thru, order, everything.
And then, when we came back here in the Philippines, one time, nag-open ang Panda Express.
Sa Mega Mall.
Sa Mega Mall. That's why now, during the pandemic, we always order.
Correct.
And that's the time he found, syempre online shopping na ngayon. So we found yun.
Correct.
Eto, we'll link it here, ha? O, saan mo ba yan? Sa Lazada? Okay, so today, we are gonna cook orange chicken.
Correct.
Orange chicken from Panda Express using the one that we bought. And eto, we want you to see how we cooked it, okay?
Hirap? Sige, watch this.
Watch this. So we're ready na ha. Pero, since this is a taste test, I want Jeffrey to see which one is the real Panda Express and which one is Icfrey'S version of orange chicken.
Correct.
So we're ready for his blindfold.
Okay, so Icfrey'S, this is the ultimate challenge. We will soon know.
Kita pala
That's my mouth!
Kita pala naka-shorts ako. So,
Okay.
yan ha. Walang daya to. Yan.
Okay.
Can you breathe?
Yes.
Can you see?
Kanina, you put it over my mouth.
So, of course, paano maano yan? We ordered yung Panda Express orange chicken versus our own, the Icfrey's orange chicken. So,
Okay.
taste test.
Okay. Icfrey'S, this is it. We'll soon see what the ultimate decision is. Is.
Open your mouth.
Liit? Bakit maliit?
Okay.
Sarap.
Nguya muna. Nguya.
Spicy. Next.
So, round number 1. Which one is Icfrey? Which one is Panda?
I think the first one is Icfrey.
And the second is Panda.
Panda.
Syempre.
Oh.
Correct!
I'm
Why?
correct?
Oo! Wow! Second.
Magaling ng taste buds ko.
Second.
Okay. Maliit!
Syempre.
Oh, tigas yun. Okay.
Open your mouth. Ano ba to? 3 tries?
No, one lang.
Dalawa na yan.
Okay, so that...
So, first one is...
No, I don't have to pick it. I just have to pick which one's mas masarap.
Ay! Okay, go!
I would say one more try sa masarap. Okay. The
Oh,
taste
yeah.
test.
Taste test. Sige.
Go, give me. Okay.
Ayan. Okay na. Parang feeding a baby.
Mabilis.
Sino naman? Alin ang mas masarap?
The second one. What is it?
It's the Icfrey orange chicken!
Kasi the second one is
Wow!
parang it's mas tastier talaga.
Kasi,
It's juicier.
maybe because it's freshly cooked. Baka, di ba? Pero we use the same sauce. Actually, we use the same recipe. So, we Googled it, we YouTubed it, and then we looked for the same recipe on how to cook the chicken. And voila! Mas magasarap daw ang Icfrey orange chicken! So, wow.
It's also Panda Express, but it's just homemade.
It's just homemade, no? And siguro nga because this is freshly cooked, baka
And high quality chicken yata.
Ay, oo, this is imported from Japan.
Chicken? So shell,
So,
it's Wagyu chicken.
alright. So, this is our,
So Icfrey'S,
sige.
I was curious. Since
Wala
we're
akong
having
masabi.
a hard time.
na masabi.
So Icfrey'S, this was an ultimate test to see, does orange chicken that you buy from Lazada taste the same as the actual Panda Express? And actually it's mas masarap, to be honest with you. Kasi it's more sauce on it. And parang it's even spicier. It's delicious talaga. So,
Actually, kind of spicy yan. When I was cooking, talagang, I was, parang I was starry-eyed.
because I think you used too much sauce. Look, it's
Ubos.
completely ubos.
Pero masarap, diba? Siyempre, kailangan masarap. So kayo, Icfrey'S, do you wanna try the orange chicken of Panda Express? So you can just look it up and then order from Lazada.
This is not sponsored.
This is not sponsored. We want to share with you all the things that we buy, and at the same time, we want to cook for you. This is because this is cooking with Icfrey.
Correct. And Icfrey'S, tell us, have you ever tried the official brand but at-home cooking of anything.
Oo.
Comment below. Share with us if you have a recommendation. We'll try it out.
Sige, kain na tayo. So, thank you.
Next time, we'll do
Thank you na ako. Ano?
Next time, we'll do a
Ano?
taste test. It's baliktad. You'll be the blindfolded one.
Sige. Bet yan ha.
Watch
Go yan,
ha. Watch
Okay.
ha. Icfrey'S, thanks for watching. Comment below, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to stay Icfrey Cool!